Hey everyone, good afternoon, good morning and good evening. So, dose of colours. I've never been very familiar with them before until recently, and I feel like I've been missing out, and I absolutely have. So what I'm going to do is give you my thoughts on these highlighters. Now, I didn't buy these originally because I didn't like the way they looked. They looked really powdery in all the online pictures of them. So that put me off. So if I kind of zoom in for you for a second here on this one, which is the gold, you can kind of see that pattern. And when you see photos of these online, they can look really powdery and dry, and it put me off. I was wrong. So first of all, you get 7 grams of product in here for this product, and and it's enough product. This is going to last you a long time. So this one is the gold and is best suited for those women with deeper complexions because gold looks stunning. The reflection aspect of it is beautiful, but bear in mind, as you just saw, so this is a highlighter in light. That means there's light on it at the moment. As you can see, when it goes out of light, it deepens. This happens on all skin tones where the product is too dark for the skin. So on deeper skin tones, this reflection won't happen, this darkening of the shade. It's something that a lot of people aren't familiar with, and they pick highlighters that are too dark, and it becomes very, very bizarre on the skin. So next up is this gorgeous shade here, which is called Milk and Honey. And it is spectacular. So that's what it looks like. It's the middle shade there. And again, you can see as it's more akin to my skin tone, you're not getting that dark reflect. So next we've got Ice You Baby. You know, sometimes I just miss a whole number two. Number two. Again, these products are slightly buttery, despite the fact that they have a tendency to look dry and powdery. They are not. It's the third color here that you see the lightest. And again, notice that there's no reflect on my skin as it goes out of light. For the fairest of skin tones, well, not the fairest, that's a complete lie. It's for light to kind of lightish skin tones. And this is for the fairest, although of course you can pick and choose as you wish. And this is the Dream On, and I want to talk to you about this shade because this is the only one in the set that does have a slightly powdery feel to it, and you can see that in the pan in person. And this is what it looks like. It's the furthest one along here, and again it has a slight pink tone to it, but it's incredibly beautiful, but it is the most powdery of them all. The rest are quite buttery, but that one just fails ever so slightly. Generally speaking, if you're a makeup artist, you really need 3 or 4 highlighting shades. You need a silver, you need a gold, you need a eggshell or beige, and like a mahogany, like a burgundy, I'm so sorry, like a burgundy. That covers the multiple of skin tones from lightest to darkest. That won't cause the odd reflex. So burgundy looks amazing on the deepest of skin tones. Gold, of course, for deeper skin tones. You then have eggshell or beige for the more medium skin tones, and of course the silver for the very pale. There you go, that's it. Information is down there, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.